Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child.
Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Day. We are off to see Christmas lights switch on. We're off to see a Christmas light switch on, which will be nice, and we're going to film. And we've got Jan and Grandad with us today. So yeah, we're going to do a little vlog. See you in a minute. We're just on our walk there.
Is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love.
Are you ready?
Yeah, all the
10,
Christmas songs that we
9, 8,
and in a while we're gonna go inside the chocolate bar the fire. So I want us to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby.
Well done. I'm sure you've cottoned on that was
I don't
planned.
need any presents.
Yeah?
As long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. Things that I've been longing for, yeah. Just close. You know the stars are shining just right.
Could you allow
Let's take a
Santa to
walk.
get through,
We can
please?
follow the moon until we reach a place we can stay.
Thank you.
Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while,
Santa, I've sent my letter.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
I sent my letter in the post.
That's excellent. That means I'll get it, doesn't it? Merry Christmas.
mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.